2022, and for this year's EmberFest we're in Paris. We decided to stick with the hybrid format to bring the conference to even more people in and outside of Europe.
EmberFest is the yearly conference for the European Ember Community. In a different city in Europe every year, and this year we are in beautiful Paris.
We've also had great speakers this year, covering topics from testing to accessibility, all the way to real-world applications of Ember.js in places where you wouldn't normally expect it.
Also for the first time in 8 years, we had one of the inventors, Yehuda Katz, give a talk at EmberFest.
It's always great to see how EmberFest attracts new people as well as industry seniors. This year, almost half the talks were given by first-time speakers altogether.
I've been in the Ember community now for 10 years. We've done all this stuff before, but every year it gives you a new perspective. Every time you come, you learn something new.
For me, it was the first time EmberFest. Everybody's really welcoming and really supporting me. Giving the talk as well was an amazing experience. Being able to share my own knowledge with the other people and then getting the feedback, that's what I really love.
Second year at EmberFest. The community is amazing. I love Ember, and I gave a talk this year about how Polaris embedded one Ember application inside another.
It's been my first time at EmberFest and I had a really great time. It's really exciting to learn about Polaris, also the performance improvements. I've learned a lot.
Good destination. I love Paris, and Ember version and routing has just blown my mind away.
The amount of new faces we've seen this year, that's a very lovely thing we see here at EmberFest to welcome them into the Ember community.
Yesterday evening, we had some time to explore the city, celebrating what Ember has to offer.
This is not like a community, like any other community. Even if you don't know the technology, it's still a really great experience.
We're in a different city every year, but in the end, EmberFest is always the same. Meeting friends again. Similar group of people, some new faces, get some news about what's going on in Ember. We're on a boat as per the tradition, and it's been as great as it has been in the years before.
As EmberFest is going strong, we look forward to another year at another European destination and to bring the whole Ember family together again.